Hello everyone, welcome to our programming lectures. So in this video we are going to discuss how to write the data onto the CSV file and how to read the data from the CSV file. And before that, in the previous lectures we have been discussed about how to create a file and how to write a data onto the text file and how to read the data from the text file. And also we have seen this particular function read underscore lines function to read the data from the file, and to execute this particular thing first you need to import this particular package. So in the previous lecture when I have used this particular function, it was given error. So because of that, because it has this particular package has not been imported. So let me execute this. So first I have to import the reader package, right? Then you execute this read underscore lines of file1.txt. So this execute this function, you execute it, then it will display the data is available from that particular file. So this is the way you have to use this particular read underscore lines function, right? Now let's understand writing the data onto the CSV file. And you can write the data onto the CSV file by using the function write.csv and write.csv2. And the first parameter that you need to pass the data. Actually the CSV file is going to store the data in a tabular format. And how do you create a data in R programming in a tabular format is by using the data frame. So then you have to use the data frame as a data, and then you have to give the file name. And one more difference between write.csv and write.csv2 is, so it uses comma for the separator and it uses semicolon for the separator, and it uses dot for the decimal point and it is uses comma for decimal point. So this is the normal difference between write.csv and write.csv2. And let me write the data onto the CSV file. And before writing the data onto the CSV file, here I have been created a data frame by using the data.frame function. Also we have been discussed this particular data structure, how to create a data frame. So here these are the column names, serial number, name and address is the column name, and these are the values. So first you need to create a data frame because you need to put this particular data onto the CSV file, right? Then to put the data onto the CSV file, then you have to use the function write.csv. Okay, and first you need to give the data. What is the data that you need to put onto the CSV file is x, because this particular values has been getting stored in x, right? Then you have to give the x, and the file name you have to give. So file name, my file name is file2.csv, which is already created here, file2.csv. Even it is not created, then it will be created, and whatever the data is available in this particular data frame, it has been getting stored into this file2.csv. And even you can give the separator. I am not giving anything, and if you want to give any decimal point also, then you can represent the decimal. So this is the way you have to write the data onto the CSV file. Then press enter. So separator, for example, here I am giving the dot, then execute it. So one thing, separator is not supporting here, just you have to write the data, then when you are reading, then you use this. Yes, so data has been written onto the CSV file, right? Now let's see, read the data from the CSV file. So how do you read the data from the CSV file? By using the read.table function. So when you are reading the data by using read.table function, then you have to give the file name, and if you want to mention the header, then you mention the header. So when you are reading the data, then you use the separator, not for writing. For reading you can use. So let's read the data by using the read.table function. So to read the data from the text file, we have been used the read.dlim function. But to read the data from the CSV file, then you have to use read.table function. And here you have to give the file name. What is our file name? File2.csv. Comma, if you want to give any header, then you have to give the header value, and the separator you can mention, and even you can mention the decimal point also. Okay, then press enter. So it is reading the data, you can observe here. So you can read the data here. So this is a way you can, this is serial number and this is name and this is address. So this is a way you can read the data from the CSV file. Even it will show you here, I will show you in the top of the bottom of the screen. So one second. So here you click on this particular files. So here it will be up open, file2.csv is created. So it is having 112 bytes. Even directly you can open it. So you just view this file. So here it will be displayed, you can view the file. So file 1 is also created, just to click on view and here it will be displayed like this. So in the file 3 we have not written anything, that's why it is not showing. So in this particular files tab it will be displayed, whatever the files that you have been created, it will be displayed. And close this. And I hope it is clear to you, and thank you.